If your Dish TV remote suddenly stops responding, don't panic. Most issues are simple and can be fixed in minutes. Start with the basics. Replace the batteries with fresh ones and double check the polarity. Weak batteries are the number one cause of remote failure. Next, check for signal interference. If you're using an infrared remote, make sure nothing is blocking the path between the remote and your dish receiver. Even decor, soundbars, or cabinet doors can interfere. For RF remotes, ensure the receiver's antenna is firmly attached and positioned upright. If the remote still isn't working, try repairing it. On newer dish remotes, go to Settings, then Remote Control, and open the pairing wizard. Follow the on-screen instructions. For older models, press and hold the mode button until all mode lights illuminate, then complete the pairing steps. You can also reset the remote. Remove the batteries, press and hold any button for about 10 seconds to discharge residual power, then reinstall the batteries. This clears minor internal glitches. If problems continue, reset the dish receiver by unplugging it for 60 seconds, then plugging it back in. This often restores communication between the remote and receiver. As a temporary backup, you can use a compatible universal remote or smartphone remote app